The question is, I want to set up beautiful and simple dessert tables for my family parties. What type of glassware should I invest in? Personally, I do like to stick to clear and white glassware. I do weddings, bridal showers, baby showers, and I do find that a lot of female birthday themes do go well with the clear and white. Let's say that this was a Spider-Man dessert table. I would still use all of my clear and white glassware, and I would add one or two colored glassware to kind of incorporate all of the glassware together to fit with the theme. For example, I would use a black or red cake stand for the Spider-Man cake in the center. And I'm going to talk a little bit about that later on. One thing that I like to do with my dessert tables is I like to have a balance of the same glassware on both sides. Now, of course, the center where my cake is going to be is always going to be a little bit different, but the sides are almost always balanced out. So I do buy my glassware in sets of 2 if possible. As a dessert table designer, I do find it easier to design a table when my glassware is balanced out. That being said, I love buying colored glassware, but I'm not going to buy 2 of every color, and I certainly don't have space for it. So when I do buy my colored glassware, I always take into consideration what I'm going to use it for, and I usually use it for the center of my table because, of course, like I said, I don't have 2, and it's going to be the one that I'm going to put my cake on. So you want it to be, slightly bigger so that it can withstand the weight of a larger cake. Another thing that I always take into consideration when I do buy my glassware is the size. I love buying glassware in smaller sizes. I mean, it does take quite a bit of desserts to fill an entire dessert table. So by using smaller glassware, you're able to provide different types of desserts. The smaller glassware, an assortment of desserts, and it could be half baked, half store-bought, is what's going to make this dessert table so cute. If you were to be setting up a dessert table at a banquet for hundreds and hundreds of people, I would certainly not use smaller glassware. It would not be ideal. But for at home, I love using my smaller glassware. So if you were starting out and you're wondering, what to invest in, I would highly recommend that you go with white and clear. I have a lot of dessert table tips that I would love to share with you, so please leave comments or questions in the comment section, and I would love to open up a conversation about dessert tables.